Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make wax strips. So this is a very easy and more efficient way of, doing your waxing stuff. And make sure to check out my old video on how I make my sugar wax. Very easy, very fast. But the only thing is just that most people complain that removing the wax like that is not something they know how to really do. So let's go right into the video. This is just a normal cotton material. You can get any kind of material, muslin material, denim material. All you need is a material that is just stiff. You don't need any stretchy material because you're going to be using it to take off the wax. So you need a scissors to help you cut through the material. And because I didn't have a ruler, you can just make use of this white paper. It's just to measure, like literally measure the, wideness of the armpit and then just put it on the paper and then you can cut through. It's very easy. You don't really need lots of skills and all. You can just watch how I do it. So I'm just putting the mark. I'm just using a pen and drawing points at where I'll be cutting on later on. And before you can get this measurement, I just put the paper from one end of my armpit to the other, like literally where I would want it to be. It shouldn't be that wide. No, it shouldn't be that wide because after applying your sugar wax or any kind of wax you may be using, but I make use of sugar wax. You just put it on and just take it out. It's very easy, even if you're on a mature. Using this strip improvisation is going to be very convenient for you because not everybody can apply wax with their hands and take it off and get a good desired result. And that's why I'm doing this video. So I've made up like different points and I counted it and it was 10. Was going to make out 10 strips for me. So and I'm okay with that because they're reusable, so I don't need that much. And this is a quarter of a yard of cotton material. You can see where I marked the end, and after cutting it I still have a lot like excess, but I could only get the lowest size I could get was a quarter yard of a cotton material. I couldn't get anything less than that. So and it's very affordable compared to how much wax strips are being sold now. This is very affordable because you can reuse it for how long you wish and you even still have excess remaining. So it's very convenient for me. This is it. So I'm just trying to draw a line. Using a ruler would be very convenient for this step, but I didn't have a ruler and I just decided to use a white paper to do that. You don't really need it to be so don't need it to be so hard. It's so easy. And I decided to cut it as I go. I drew the line, cut it, but you can rule all the lines at once and then cut through whichever way, whichever one works for you. I already cut two out, and this is even enough because they are reusable. And it's very convenient to use this because once you apply your wax and then most people find it difficult to yank it out, like get the hair out. So this, you just place this on it literally and you do that, and it's very helpful, especially if you're an amateur. I'm not a pro waxer, and this changed the whole waxing stuff and made it much more easier, and I know it will too for you. And I'm just literally cutting it, bit by bit, just to try to get on the straight line. And yeah, I think they're called depilatory kind of. I think if I'm not wrong, I'll put the name on the screen. So once you're done cutting, you can use your scissors to cut, or you can do this way. But I don't like this pattern of yanking out any material, cotton material. Just make a little cut, then you just tear it out. That sound of tearing out from a material is what I don't like. It makes me to just it makes me feel uncomfortable and I don't like it. And I just end up trying to stretch and stretch and stretch. And it's better I just use my scissors. So, but whichever way you want to, whichever way is convenient for you and fast for you. So here, I already ironed them down so they look more neat and more presentable. Just for ironing sake literally. So it's reusable. You could just take to make use of it, then you soak it in water, the wax would melt out and everything, then you just wash it and make use of it again. Make use of it at least like 3 4 times before you maybe throw it out, depending, I don't know, it's preference. And then you can take another batch again. So this is literally like 5 batches if you're not reusing, but most times it's better to just reuse because that's the essence and point. So I'm just showing you guys how I make use of it. I already applied my wax, just apply it. Though my wax was quite thick in lay, I don't know why, but I just applied it like that. And I'm just literally trying to prove that no matter how you even apply the wax, literally you'd still get your hair out, but try and not use so much wax like me. Please try not to use so much wax like me. Just a generous amount is okay as long as it has a good coverage and you can see the hairs. And yeah, don't use so much wax. So I hope this video is very helpful, especially for new wax users. So make sure you follow me on social media, make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure you watch my videos, and make sure to turn on your post notifications to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye.